All right, guys. Good morning. I had a really good day. Market gapped up, and provided really nice opportunity. I had a really solid day. I'm sure Brian also had as well. And so I'm just quickly do the recap. So Apple was one of the stocks that gapped up. A lot of everything almost was gapping up. So IWM, all the indexes, IWM was up, QQQ was up, SPY was up, and Dow Jones was up. So Apple, I put Apple and AMD on my watch. Yesterday, Apple gave me a little bit of a hard time, but today, because of the gap up, I was really hoping to get opening range break up on it. It was above the VWAP, which is nice. Sold off at the open. There was a huge beat at 142, so it kind of opened funky, bounced back. I didn't want to short it on the strongest stock. There wasn't really an area that I wanted to go short until it bounced back and came above the VWAP. As soon as it came above the VWAP, I tried to take an opening range break up on it, 5-minute opening range break up. But I did mention that this is not an A setup. Why? Because of this huge wick on a 5-minute candlestick. That's why I went there. I got stopped out. So I came down below the VWAP, never lost the VWAP, came back up. I went long again at 142. And then as you see, it ripped up and is going to go above 143. And I'm still in there with a little bit of shares, like 500 shares is still left in there. And I want to see if it can go up there or not. And then AMD was the one that behaved really well. I traded a 5-minute opening range breakout, which is a bullish engulfing pattern. So what it is, so the stock again was gapping up above the VWAP, but lost the VWAP in the pre-market, kind of sold off. And I didn't want to short it. I just didn't like the shorting it on a 5-minute opening range breakout. So it did bounce back from this level. As soon as I saw that on a 5-minute chart, we're having this bullish engulfing crack. So this is a bullish engulfing pattern, and what we call it a bullish engulfing crack. That's a very bullish pattern, especially on a stock that is gapping up. So I went long at 110.50, popped up all the way up above 111, came down to the VWAP. I added again more, tested my break-even point and bounced back, and I sold. I'm all out at it. So it was a really solid day for me, really solid day, and I'm so happy that made a lot of losses back. So Apple is at 143. I'm gonna probably sell more at 143. There was a lot of buying opportunities and adding opportunities, but I just didn't. Brian, how did you do that? Just getting out of it here.
I had a really good day. I shorted TIGR at the open, bit of a rising devil trade. I'm out of it now, but I wish I wasn't. Still falling here. Had a BAC trade, went long. That didn't work out that great, but then I flipped, went short. Did okay with that trade, and then the last trade was a really good trade on Plug. Plug was really weak right from the open, so managed to get a short on that. Took it all the way down through yesterday's low, and that was it. So
beautiful short.
3 good trades. Yeah.
Awesome. No, we did awesome. I mean, that was a really nice day. The rip in the SPY was just amazing. That just everything, just look at this beauty. And I'm still long leverage ETF of SPXL. TNA, I'm still long very heavily, and TQQ, I'm long very heavily. So it's just ripping, and it's amazing. And you know that in one of my newsletters, I mentioned that I'm long because I was expecting this bounce. Look at this beauty. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Let's sell a little bit here. So that's a very beautiful rip. So if you want to get the newsletter, go to our website and sign up, add your email to getting the newsletters. And looking forward to see you all. Thursday mentorship session, guys, is at 11. So for elite members, guys, coming. And really looking forward to see you all. And what else do we have? If you have any comments and suggestions, put it in there. Oh, there's a couple of things. First of all, the Vancouver meetup is on December 3rd, and I hope that I can see as many as you guys. There's also an electronic music event after that. So if you really want to get the culture of the underground culture of Vancouver, that's a really good event to go. It's fun. A couple of my friends are doing it. I'm going there all night. And if you want to come, the link, we're going to put it in the YouTube or on the forum. So if you want to really go to see a place, not a tourist trap, that would be a place. And we can have a meetup in the office, and after that we go there. Of course, drinks and dinner on me. And we're going to see, hopefully, Eamon might come from Russia if he can get the visa and everything. So that would be nice. I know Peter is coming, Carlos is coming, and a bunch of other people are coming. So it's going to be a really good night. And if anyone wants to come, if you want any hotel recommendation or anything, if you're coming out of town, let me know. We are in downtown area, so financial district, and it should be a fairly cheap time to travel to Vancouver because it's in the winter. So perfect. So that's it, guys, for me. Oh, another thing, we developed a tool as a replay. It's stocktradingsimulator.com. If you go there, it's free. It always will be free, and you can actually replay some of the trades that, like for example, tonight or tomorrow, you can also trade all of these trades that we did. So if you go check it out, it's on a beta testing. It might crash. There might be some problems with it, but send us feedback. We're gonna fix this problem, and we want to have a really good tool, free for everyone, to just practice your trading. And that would be nice. That's what we're trying to get. All right, guys. Thank you so much. That's my trading day. Turned out to be really, really nice. And hopefully, yeah, this Excel is just amazing. Oh my God. And hopefully see you all soon. Ciao.